Hi, it's Nicole with Secure Mail. I noticed you're not using templates with your Secure Mail account. Templates saves clinics a lot of time, so I wanted to give you a little demonstration on how to do that. So when you're in your inbox, you're going to see a green button on the right top. It says Compose. It'll bring you to the new message. And then just on the right over here, there's a templates button. You're going to click that. And we're going to use this as an example. It's a basic intake form. You can customize this any way you'd like it. So for example, you can have the doctor's name in here. Whoever you address it to will say the recipient's name. This will be automatic, so you don't have to do any work there. But for example, it'll say Dear Bright Squid, or whoever's name you have in here. And you can also add any attachments you'd like, especially if it's a standard attachment that goes with the same message every time. So you can just click that and add an attachment, and every time you click the template, it will be there for you. You can also include other forms that you'd like to use, and if we don't have the ones you do want to use, you can get some custom ones, but that will be in another tutorial. Okay, so now if you wanted to get customizing your own templates, you're going to go to the left side panel here, click Templates. This will bring you to the drop-down menu and a place to create a new message from scratch. The drop-down menu, you will see all the BSQ, which means Bright Squid letters. These are most commonly used and customized if you want. So for example, patient intake form, this is the subject line that will show, and then this will be the placeholder name for the recipient as well as the sender down here. You can add the doctor's name in here and just customize it to however you would like. Here's your attachments and your forms as well. You can save as, then you will save it as a new template so that when you go into your compose message, template selection, it'll show up under your dropdown. Most commonly used things for templates have been patient intake forms as well as referrals. So if you're replying to a referral, you can have these messages consistent, and remember that you're only proofing it once, and then your staff will send out these messages with consistent language. Nobody's writing it out in their own words or maybe having spelling mistakes, and it just, again, saves a lot of time. So you're going to go to create a new message under template name. This will just be the name in the drop down. So let's say patient intake for clinic, and then subject line is here. You can add a placeholder so that you don't always have to type in the name. Again, time saving. And then you will type in your custom message here with another placeholder name, which will bring in your name or whoever's sending it. And then you can add the attachments on the left side here, and then attach forms as well. You guys will have access to some standard forms here, and then if you want to get customized, we can chat about that. I hope that brings more efficiency to your clinic's day. And if you need any help, send me a message or book some time with me through the link in the email, and I can help you out. Have a great day.